Here's how to remove unwanted ads from Google Chrome. Are you exasperated by Google Ads that appears on your screen right after opening the Google Chrome? Then we're surely on the same page. But to figure out the issue, Gad insiders discovered the easiest way to remove these unwanted ads within a blink of an eye. Firstly, it's essential to know that whatever ads, news, and more unwanted suggestions keep popping up on our screens after opening Google is known as Google Discover. So how does it work? Google Discover adequately works differently to search anything as compared to the traditional searching way. It's an uncontested finding of content which perfectly matches your interest. After knowing your preference, it ultimately suggests you the latest relatable content, relying on your search activity with this app. Once you input your interest, it comprehends it very well, and later on, it efficiently drives the insight next time you use according to your preference. Follow this step-by-step guide to permanently remove Google Discover. First, right below the web browser, you would see a three-dotted menu alongside Discover. Click on it and then tap Turn Off. Follow these steps to manage interest. First, right below the web browser, you would see a three-dotted menu alongside Discover. Then click on it and then tap on Manage Interest. Now set it according to your interest to get your preferred ads.